Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome back in English class with me, Ma'am Vira. Look at these pictures. Do you know them? Who are they? The first picture is Raisa. Good. The next is? The next is Lee Jang-woo. And then the last picture is Joko Widodo. Can you describe them in a simple sentence? Okay, now take a look on the first picture. Raisa is beautiful. And then the second picture? Lee Jang-woo is a Korean actor. And then the last picture? Joko Widodo is a president of Republik Indonesia. After describing them in a simple sentence, can you guess what are we going to study today? We are going to study about descriptive text. Anybody knows what descriptive text is? Descriptive text is a text which describes a particular person, place, or things. Jadi, descriptive text itu adalah sebuah teks yang menggambarkan atau mendeskripsikan orang, tempat, ataupun benda. But today, in this meeting, we only focus on describing people. And now, what about the function of descriptive text? Descriptive text is used to describe particular person, place, or things. Now, let's analyze the generic structure of this text. Please read this text. So, what's the generic structure of this text? Anybody knows? The first is identification. Identification ini adalah objek yang akan kita deskripsikan secara detail nantinya. Of course, it only has one object. Hanya akan ada satu objek saja yang dideskripsikan di sini. Based on this text, berdasarkan teks ini, yang manakah yang disebut identification? Michael Jordan. Jadi, Michael Jordan ini adalah identification di teks ini. And then the second generic structure is description. Description ini adalah mendeskripsikan physical appearance atau tampilan fisik seseorang, ataupun non-physical appearance yaitu karakter atau sifat dari seseorang. Di sini yang manakah yang dinamakan dengan description itu? For the example, he is tall, well-built, handsome, with friendly brown eyes and a white grin. Ini adalah contoh dari physical appearance. Sedangkan untuk karakter, seperti Michael is a very determined person, and so on. Next, let's analyze the language feature of this text. Can you analyze the language feature of this text? The first is simple present tense, yaitu menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama. Di teks ini yang manakah simple present itu? Lives, ini adalah contoh dari simple present tense. Manages, ini adalah contoh dari simple present tense. And then the second is adjective, yaitu menggunakan kata sifat. For the example, he is tall, well-built, and handsome. Ini adalah contoh kata sifat. Selain itu, kita bisa menggunakan kata sifat untuk menjelaskan objek. Based on this text, contoh yang ada di teks ini adalah brown eyes, white green, casual clothes, smart suits, and so on. Here is the list of adjectives to describe personality or character. Actually, there are so many adjectives that we can use to describe someone's personality or characters. Jadi ada banyak sekali kata sifat yang bisa digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan karakter dari seseorang. Ini hanya beberapa contoh saja. And here's the list to describe physical appearance. Dan ini adalah daftar kata yang bisa digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan tampilan fisik dari seseorang. It can be face, build, nose, hair, etc. For the example, she has a oval face. Dia memiliki wajah oval. Or we can say, atau kita bisa juga mengatakannya dengan her face is oval. Wajahnya oval. And then the next, he has short hair. Dia memiliki rambut pendek. Or we can say, his hair is short. Rambutnya pendek. To make sure that you have understood about descriptive text, now it's your turn. Please analyze this text based on the function, generic structure, and language feature. After analyzing the function, generic structure, and language feature, answer this question based on the text. And the last is create your own descriptive text based on these topics provided. So you have to choose one of these topics: politician, singer, or actor or actress. Make a descriptive paragraph at least 10 sentences, and then make sure that your descriptive text contains of identification and description.